Hi, I'm Mandy, the DIY editor for Today's Parent. Have you seen those awesome DIY Lego tables? So you can play on top, they store all the Legos, they're all over Pinterest, they're huge. Who has space for that? Today, I'm going to show you how to hack your very own portable Lego tray. The best part? It folds up and you put it away with the Lego.
This is easy-ish. This project is so quick, you'll be building your dream home in no time.
Okay, so let's talk about what materials you need for this project. The first main thing is the Klipsk tray from IKEA. We're going to use it as our Lego Play portable tray. And you also need 3 Lego base plates. You're going to cut them up to fit the tray. And the best part is the green of the base plates matches the green of the IKEA tray. Love that. You need an X-Acto knife or a utility knife, a cutting mat, and the glue. So let's talk about glue for a minute. You're gluing plastic to plastic. Both of those are sort of non-porous materials. A hot glue gun is not the best for this job. It will probably just crack right off. So you want like an industrial strength all-purpose glue. Another option is the E6000 glue, which works really well. This is definitely adult play only. We don't want kids around this stuff. Ventilated room. You're gonna do this part once it's done and dried and cured, no problem. And then to cut your base plates, you need Lego pieces. Lucky because you have Lego, that's the whole point. It's a really cool way to cut really straight lines on your Lego. I'll show you how to do that. And that's all you need. Okay, so you're gonna place your base plates on the tray and you're looking to see where you want to trim because they don't fit perfectly. So I'm going to put it down and I can see here where I need to trim. So I'm going to use my Lego to actually mark it. So now I know where I need to trim. And this is the coolest thing ever because you use your Lego, continue it along, and you use that as your guide to cut. And you just start scoring gently. You don't need to like go through the entire thickness at once. Okay, I think we're ready to snap it. Snap it. Done. So you have a really nice clean finished edge, which should fit nicely in here.
Cut enough pieces to cover the entire surface of your tray. Your leftover base plate material is not a waste. It's still perfectly good to play with.
Okay, this is the fun step. We get to glue our base plate down to the tray. We're going to use that glue we talked about earlier, and you just want to flip your pieces out of the way, and we'll do one piece at a time. We're going to add a little bit.
Wait! Pause the video. Before you glue, it's a good idea to give the tray and the back of the base plates a quick sand. It will help the glue adhere that much more. Okay, carry on.
Whoop. I don't know, I'm kind of into this. I think glue is fun. Okay, so let's set our first piece. This type of glue takes a while to cure and set up, so it's flexible and you can move it around, so you don't have to worry. It's not like super glue, which instantly attaches. So I've got my first big piece in and I'm going to make sure my second big piece fits as well. Okay, let's go ahead and glue that piece too. Okay, piece number 2 is on. Use your Lego bits to test out your mat before the glue is set and make sure that they fit snugly on the mat. And that way you know everything's in place and that your Lego building will be awesome. So we've just got 2 little bits left to go. This is sticky business. Okay, solid. Okay, so now where all those 4 seams meet, I'm gonna do that test again with my Lego. This type of glue is gonna set overnight. And let's also weigh it down. And that's it, just let it dry overnight and you're done.
I've legit sprained my foot tripping on Lego, so I've got a love-hate relationship with this stuff. See? Lego and play tray all in one bin. I love a good storage moment.
I hope you like this quick fix video because we have so many more coming out. In fact, we have a new one every single Friday. Every Friday there's a new video every week. So please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a single one. Is there a problem at home you need a quick fix for? Comment below, we'll test it out and maybe you'll see it in one of our videos. Thanks for watching. Please watch our videos. Sorry.